What do you think is the best trading method? Well, in my opinion, it's all about buying low and selling high. And guess what? In this video, we're diving into a sniper entry trading strategy that follows exactly that principle, using just 2 free indicators. So, make sure you stick around and show some love by liking and subscribing to our channel. In the world of trading, 2 simple principles reign supreme: buying when prices are low and selling when prices are high. By adhering to these principles, you can maximize your profits. The strategy we're discussing today utilizes only 2 free indicators that you can easily access on TradingView, and it works across all time frames and assets, whether it's Forex, crypto, stocks, or others. For this demonstration, we'll be focusing on a 5-minute time frame. First, head over to TradingView and search for Double Top Bottom by Tendoscopic Eder in the Indicator Search tab. This indicator identifies technical patterns of double tops and double bottoms. A double top signal suggests a sell order, while a double bottom signal suggests a buy order. Next, add the Moving Average Trend Sniper indicator from ChartPrime to act as a trend filter. A yellow color indicates a bearish trend, while blue indicates a bullish trend. Now, let's dive into how to place buy and sell orders using these indicators. To place a buy order, wait for the double bottom signal and ensure the moving average trend sniper line is blue. Confirm with a bullish candlestick and then place your buy order after it closes. Set your stop loss at the first bottom point and aim for a target profit with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. For a sell order, wait for the double top signal and ensure the moving average trend sniper line is yellow. Confirm with a bearish candlestick and then place your sell order after it closes. Set your stop loss at the first top point and aim for your target profit. Remember, always maintain proper money management and trading psychology. And that's a wrap for this video. See you in the next one.